Today we talk about Motorola Edge 50 Fusion. It's launched on April 2024. The dimensions of Motorola Edge 50 Fusion: height 6.37 inch, width 2.88 inch, thickness 7.9 mm. The weight is 175 gram, and the build: front glass, eco leather back and plastic frame. The display of Motorola Edge 50 Fusion: it comes with POLED 1 billion color screen type, and the screen size is 6.7 inch with 91.6% screen to body ratio, and the resolution is 1080p. The refresh rate is 144Hz with 1600 nits peak of brightness, and the protection: it comes with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Let's talk about the platform of Motorola Edge 50 Fusion. It comes with Android 14 operating system, and the chipset is Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 4nm, and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A78, and the GPU Adreno 710. The memory of Edge 50 Fusion: it comes with 8 and 12 gigs of RAM and 128, 256, 512 gigs of ROM. No SD card support in this mobile. Let's talk about the camera of Motorola Edge 50 Fusion. It comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide, and it records 4K 30fps video with main cameras, and it has 32 megapixel selfie camera, and it records 1080p 60fps video record. The battery backup of this mobile: it comes with 5000 mAh battery and 68 watt wired fast charging, and it supports 15 watt wireless charging and 5 watt reverse wireless charging. The common feature of Motorola Edge 50 Fusion: it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, carrier speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 2.2, and IP68 dust water resistant. And the price of Motorola Edge 50 Fusion is $450.